Africa's economy is a tapestry woven from centuries of trade, extraction, and innovation. Imagine a continent where ancient caravans traversed vast deserts, trading gold, ivory, and salt. This is where our story begins, in the bustling markets of pre-colonial Africa. Long before European ships arrived, African societies had established intricate trade networks. From the trans-Saharan routes connecting West Africa to the Mediterranean, to the Swahili coast's maritime trade with Arabia and India, these exchanges were the lifeblood of thriving economies. But this prosperity was not to last. The arrival of colonial powers in the 19th century marked a dramatic shift. European nations carved up the continent, drawing borders that ignored existing ethnic and economic realities. The colonial economy was built on extraction: rubber from the Congo, gold from South Africa, cocoa from West Africa. This system enriched colonial powers but left African economies dependent on exporting raw materials. Post-independence, African nations faced the daunting task of rebuilding. Many turned to structural adjustment programs imposed by international financial institutions. These policies promised growth but often exacerbated poverty and debt. Today, Africa's economy is at a crossroads. The continent's aggregate nominal GDP stands at about 3 trillion, with South Africa leading at nearly 400 billion. Yet, challenges remain. African economies are highly vulnerable to external shocks, reliant on volatile commodity exports, and burdened by high debt. Infrastructure gaps and trade cost bottlenecks further complicate the picture. But there is hope. The African Continental Free Trade Area aims to boost intra-African trade, reducing reliance on external markets. Meanwhile, a digital revolution is transforming the continent. African startups raised about $4.1 billion in 2025, with fintech taking the lead. Cities like Lagos, Nairobi, Cape Town, and Cairo are emerging as hubs of innovation. Mobile payments, digital lending, and e-commerce are driving financial inclusion, bringing millions into the formal economy. This is not just a story of agriculture and minerals, it is a story of service sector innovation and economic resilience. As we look to the future, the question is not whether Africa will grow, but how. Will the continent overcome its vulnerabilities to achieve sustainable development? The answer lies in harnessing its rich history, leveraging technology, and fostering regional integration. Africa's economic journey is far from over, and its next chapter promises to be transformative.